Dear students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn SGP2 from the Proj Olympic Games, page number 55. Many hundred years later, in 1896, a young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. Here, question arises. When did the modern Olympic Games start? Answer is, the modern Olympic Games started in 1896. The opposite of modern is ancient. Question number 2. Who started them? A young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started modern Olympic Games. What country did he belong to? He belonged to France. Question number 4. Why did he start it? He started it because he wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. Let's read paragraph number 5. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. The Olympic symbol with 5 rings stands for the unity of 5 continents. At least one of the colors of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. The Olympic motto written in Latin is swifter, higher and stronger. Coubertin felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. Here you will get answer number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 5. At what intervals are the Olympic Games held? The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. Question number 6. How many rings are there in Olympic symbol? There are 5 rings in Olympic symbol. Question number 7. What are the 5 rings stand for? The 5 rings stand for the unity of 5 continents: Europe, Africa, America, Asia and Australia. What are the colors of the rings? The colors of rings are blue, black, red, yellow and green. Question number 9. What is the Olympic motto? The Olympic motto in Latin is swifter, higher and stronger. The Olympic motto is Citius Altius Firtius, a Latin expression meaning is swifter, higher and stronger. Question number 10. What did Coubertin feel about these 3 words? Coubertin felt these 3 words describe the aim of great athletes all over the world. Here the word robes, R-O-B-E-S, means a type of long dress. Question number 11. Who lights the Olympic torch? A woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch. Let's read paragraph number 6. Weeks before the games begin, a woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch in the Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants take turns with the torch through different countries. The final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. The flame is put out means extinguish, at the closing ceremony. It is time for all the athletes to return home. There are some winners and many losers. Opposite of win is lose, loss. They think about the hard work. Here, hard is an adjective and work is a noun. They think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. And many of them feel happy that, although they did not win, they had the chance to compete against the best players in the world. Perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice that Baron de Coubertin gave. His message to the all Olympic participants was, the most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Participate means those who take part in the same events is called participants. Question number 12. Who take turns with the Olympic torch through the different countries? Many participants take turns with the Olympic torch through different countries. Question number 13. How long is the Olympic torch kept burning? The Olympic torch is kept burning until the games close. Question number 14. When is the flame put out? Put out means extinguish. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. Here are some other phrasal verbs. Put in. He puts his money in the purse. Put off. I put off my uniform at 4 o'clock. Put out. Please put out the lamp. Put down. Please put down your name in capitals. Put up. The clerk of the office put up the file before the officer. Question number 15. When do the participants return home? When the Olympics flame is put out, the participants return home. Question number 16. What do the winner participants think about? The winner participants think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. Number 17. And what about those who do not win? Those who do not win feel happy that they had the chance to compete against the best players in the field. Number 18. What is the most important thing in the Olympic Games according to Coubertin? According to Coubertin, the most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Number 19. The Olympic Games originated in Greece. Which two things are done at the start of the games to justify this? At the start of games, a woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch, and it is lighted in the Olympia Valley in Greece. These two things justify that the Olympic Games originated in Greece. In page number 58, there are some adjectives and nouns. We have to match them. Adjectives are used before nouns. Hard work, deep trouble, good advice, strong, feeling, main, idea, heavy, traffic. Now see page number 57. Multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options. Dash started modern Olympic Games. Baron Pierre de Coubertin started modern Olympic Games. Hercules was not only strong but also clever. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. The Olympic motto is swifter, higher, and stronger. The most important thing in Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Now is your turn. You have to write all the question answers in your book.